Meaning of goalie.
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 Goalie. Goalie is a term commonly used in ice hockey and refers to the player who defends the goal net against the opposing team's attempts to score. The goalie is known for their quick reflexes, agility, and ability to anticipate shots and make crucial saves. They wear specialized equipment, including a mask, chest protector, leg pads, and gloves, to protect themselves while stopping pucks. Goalies are critical to a team's success and play an essential role in winning games. Without a skilled goalie, a team may struggle to prevent the opposing team from scoring and achieving victory.